J'en ai marre of your theatrics. Your acting's a drag. It's okay on TV, but you can turn it off. Your marriage is a tragedy, but it's not my concern. I'm very superficial. I hate everything official.
Your private life drama, baby, leave me out. Your private life drama, baby, leave me out.
But you're still clinging to somebody you deplore. And now you want to use me for emotional blackmail. I just feel pity when you lie, contempt when you cry.
Your private life drama, baby, leave me out. Your private life drama, baby, leave